arrested 9 months ago. So when I was asked to sing, I was considering what song to sing, and the Lord impressed me to sing this song. And I asked, Lord, ano gini? Kasi hindi ko matapos din. Because this song, I often hear my mom sing, daw mabatian ko pa iyan dito na nagkakanta sa mga kanta. But nevertheless, we have a very gracious God and marvelous grace that makes life worth living. Kung wala na siya sa Ginoo, there's no sense in having us more. But because of His grace, we have something to look forward to. Because of that marvelous grace, He looks beyond our faults and saw our need of a loving, caring Savior. Shall always be